Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know everything we know about GTA 6 so far. Number 1. The official release date will be on May 26, 2026. Number 2. The game will be launched on PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X/S. PC release will not be at launch. It's likely going to be delayed until 2027 to 2028. Also, there is no support for older consoles like PS4 or Xbox One. The main location will be Vice City, which is based on Miami, Florida. This state will be Leonida, fictional version of Florida. There are a couple confirmed map areas such as Leonida Keys, like Florida Keys, Grass Rivers, the Everglades, Port Gilhorn, like Tampa, Fort Myers area, Ambrosia, and Mount Calaga, which is the highest mountain in the game. We also know a couple of the main characters that are going to be introduced. There is Lucia Caminos, which is a confirmed protagonist, Jason Duval, which is a main character and possibly an undercover cop, Carl Hampton, Jason's friend, secondary protagonist, BB Ick, entrepreneur, shoe store owner, Drew Quan Priest is a music artist, The Real Dimes is a rap duo / social influencers, Raul Batista, which is a seasoned criminal, Brian Hedder, landlord and drug smuggler, and Stephanie, Lucy's corrections counselor. We also know there's going to be a massive increase in enterable interiors, which is awesome. There's going to be hundreds of unique enterable buildings. Regarding vehicles, we know there's going to be a ton of new and returning cars. There is now detailed vehicle customization and modification. Cruise ships are also going to be included on the map, which will possibly be explorable. Planes and jumbo jets will return, and passenger and freight trains are confirmed to be added. As for wildlife and NPCs, there's going to be a huge range of wildlife such as alligators, deer, sharks, etc. There's going to be animals and human NPCs that react realistically to events. There's going to be a police system improved with witnesses and even cameras. And there's going to be diverse NPCs in terms of height, weight, and age. There's a couple of recreational activities that are also confirmed to be included, such as golfing, basketball, tennis, bowling, fishing, racing, scuba diving, gambling, hunting, pool, kayaking, mini golf, working out, and MMA style fighting. Regarding physics and the environment, there's going to be enhanced rage engine for realism. It's going to be backpacks and duffel bags for inventory. There's going to be realistic water physics and waves, dynamic plant movements such as trees and grass, detailed vehicle damage system, character stats like strength, stamina, rest, improved gun physics such as recoil and shell casings, destructible environments such as poles, signs, etc. There's also going to be time-based changes such as car rust over time, tide, map changes, and vehicle maintenance. There will possibly be a need for gas and tire changes in the future. As for weapons, there will be a ton of returning weapon types from GTA 5. There's going to be new models modifications on top of that as well. There's going to be possibly weight-based inventory system as well. We also know that realistic weather cycles like floods, fires, and hurricanes are confirmed. There's also going to be NPC events such as street takeovers, car meets, car crashes, road closures, drug deals, and emergency responses. The economy is going to be similar to GTA 5, such as banks, businesses, and properties. But there's the possible addition of an in-game stock market and cryptocurrency. Regarding graphics and technology, there is next-gen graphics. There's going to be improved textures, lighting, shadows, and reflections. The environment will be a lot more immersive and detailed. There's also going to be advanced in-game social media beyond GTA 5. There's also going to be interactive websites for purchases, entertainment, etc. Lastly, regarding GTA Online, GTA 6 Online will release after single player. It's expected to be an evolution of GTA 5 Online. There will be a higher player cap hoped for, so more than 30. Also, since Rockstar owns FiveM, this could influence the addition of roleplay servers. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!